Welcome back to John Cleese Car Audio's YouTube channel. My name is Connor. Behind me is this Chausson Motorhome on this insanely hot 32-degree day. Come in because the factory system was not cutting the mustard. It wanted a proper built-in navigation that was more based for the motorhome specific style. Now I'm going to start from the outside because I'm going to quickly show you obviously the actual vehicle itself, which as you can see is right here. We've also installed an aerial on the wing here. The reason we do that is because the factory aerials for DAB are not that great unless the vehicle's got DAB as standard, which this one didn't. And windscreen aerials are not brilliant when you go into more rural areas, and naturally motorhomes are going to go into areas that are off the track, as it were. Now we're going to go in the vehicle and show you what we've done. Now it's already on at the moment, but I'm actually going to turn it off because I want to show you a couple of little bits and explain a few things. So we have wired the new solution we've done to be independent of the key, so it will work without the keys because we've actually wired the system to the leisure battery, which is, I don't know, somewhere else in the vehicle. That's one for my technician. We've put a switch in a factory blank of the Ford dashboard which turns it on. So if I turn that on now, this absolute Goliath Kenwood DNR 992 is going to come on. We put the Chausson logo on, which we've created ourselves. All the factory steering wheel controls still work as you'd hope, obviously. Underneath here in the factory storage cabinet is a USB port. The actual Kenwood USB is now located here, so the original USB port still works. And it's a big 10.2-inch screen, so from the driver's headrest, which is where I am pointing at now, you get a great view of the screen. You don't really want to go for a small 7-inch screen for built-in nav and you know, motorhomes if you can help it, because these are awesome. You know, it fits nicely. The fascia we install fits great. It's an automatic. It's a bit close to the screen, as you can see, but actually, if you just actually put your hand like that, there isn't actually a problem whatsoever, unless you hold it like a fist punch. All right, so it's great from that point of view. Gives you a nice rotary volume knob, which, who doesn't like a rotary knob? Very easy to use. Now starting from the top setting, what this offers, built-in navigation, which I'm going to go to right now and show you. Full Garmin European based nav. It's a motorhome based navigation as well, so you're going to get all your campsites, the ACSIs, motorhome sites, caravan sites, airs in France, all over Europe. So it's designed for the actual motorhome. Because it's more designed for motorhome, you can also put your own profile in, so you can actually put your weight, your max weight per axle, width, height and length in to make sure you do not take the motorhomes down the wrong paths. You can even put a trailer in. So if you tow like a Toyota Aygo, a smart car or some small hatchback behind the vehicle, that also incorporates that into your navigation route as well. Brilliant bit of kit. Also has wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto. I will just quickly connect my phone up so you can actually see what that is. So I'm going to make it visible on my phone. I'm going to show my phone, and I'm going to actually connect my phone straight away now to give you, just to show you what Apple CarPlay looks on such a nice HD 10-inch screen, because this is a HD 720p screen. I'm just going to pair. This is how easy it is to do. Allow, and then my phone's going to come up with, do you want to do CarPlay? CarPlay, say yes on the screen, and then if you wait about 5, 4, 3, 2, it was quicker than I thought, 1. Oh, N-dubs. It's not my usual go-to music, but it is on at the moment. So now I've got Apple CarPlay on the screen, so the customer also has access to Apple Maps, Google Maps, Waze navigation and TomTom, as well as music streaming apps like, you know, YouTube Music, Spotify, Deezer, Tidal, the lot. So that's really nice, and I can push the nav and go back to full European built-in nav. So if you go into an area there's no phone coverage, this unit gives you built-in nav. You're not relying just on your phone. That's what makes it so good. Now this customer already had a reverse camera on it, which was actually on a hideous big fat monitor up there. We've actually got rid of that, and we've actually rewired the camera to be back on the Kenwood. So if I put it in reverse right now, customer's reverse camera is automatically going to come up just like that. Kenwood also do a real nice 720p HD camera as well, which is worth looking at, which we can actually wire and use it as a rear view mirror at the top of the vehicle, so you can have one camera looking down, one camera looking back, which is outstanding for manoeuvring motorhomes like this around. That's pretty much it. That is a Kenwood DNR 992 RVS, 3-year warranty when installed by ourselves, not myself because I can't install, but one of the very talented technicians in the workshop can do it. And this is a Chausson Motorhome. My name is Connor. We'll see you on the next one. See you later.